Hello viewers, I have created this PowerBI report on the Madhya Pradesh Assembly election 2018 versus 2023. In this report, I have conducted a comparative analysis of the election results for 2018 and 2023 Assembly results. The data is scrapped from Wikipedia. The analysis covers party performance by constituencies and overall, candidate performance, margin of victory or defeat, voter turnout, and vote share by parties. This information can prove valuable for political parties and competing candidates. At the top of the report, I have included important and general information about Madhya Pradesh Assembly election. Madhya Pradesh has 52 districts with 230 seats, and the majority mark for forming government is 116 assembly seats. The number of seats in MP reduced from 320 to 230 after the creation of Chhattisgarh state in year 2000. To enhance user experience, I have implemented a party initial name slicer by using append queries. I have created a single slicer for both the 2018 and 2023 dataset, eliminating the need for the two separate slicer and preventing repetition of the same party names. The same approach has been applied to win margin slicer, which is here. Let's select BJP to check the details. I have turned off the edit interaction for pie chart and 100% stack bar chart. To illustrate the vote share between parties, I have used 100% stack bar chart. The broom icon is used to clear all selected filters and slicer for win margin, and this is showing the retained seats by the parties which they have won in 2018 and they have again won in 2023. Clicking on party reveals its performance for both 2018 and 2023. The district field shows the number of districts where the party has won at least one assembly seat. If the party did not win any seats, it will display as 0. Won seats indicate the number of seats won, and vote share shows the total percentage of votes the party received. For some parties, the vote percent shows no info due to missing of data or they have not participated in that election. Here you can see for SP, which is Samajwadi Party, they have made contested election, but we don't have that much of data. That's why it's showing 0 districts, 0 seats won, and no info for votes percentage. To illustrate the vote share between parties, I have used 100% stack bar chart. Here we can see 1.3% vote they have in 2018. Let's see for BJP. They have 41% vote in 2018 and 48.55% vote in 2023. If we focus on the, let me zoom more. Here we can see that BJP and INC, both Indian National Congress, fall short for crossing the majority mark of 116 seats. Yet the INC secures support from the SP, BSP and Independent to successfully form the government in 2018. I have not included the other information like some members have quit their assembly and leave the party. I have just used the 2018 election results data. And if we focus on 2023, the BJP achieved a landslide victory by securing 164 seats, surpassing the majority mark. The trailing INC, Indian National Congress, lags far behind the BJP. Consequently, the BJP formed the government on its own. Here we can see the vote share by parties and number of votes total they have got. The BJP secured the highest number of votes in 2018, while the Indian National Congress received fewer votes but won more seats. Although the vote share difference is only 0.13%, the INC holds a 5-seat advantage despite having a lower vote share than the BJP. The BJP has experienced a jump of 7.53%, resulting in a greater number of seats won. The Indian National Congress vote share has decreased by 0.49%, and they have been unable to maintain their previously won assembly seats. The win margin slicer is used to check seat where the win margin is lower, or you can set it. Let's set for 2000. Setting the win margin max to 2000 reveal with the less than a 2000 vote margin in both 2018 and 2023. So BJP have won 28 seats which are below 2000 margin in 2018 and 6 in 2023. Let's check for overall. So there are 18 seats in 2018, and again in 2023 there are 18 seats. So here are their seats. Kolaras constituency number 27, BJP winner. The win margin is only 720. Here in Gohar, constituency number 13, the win margin is 607 only. Here the written seats showing for both the all the parties. Let's focus on a single party. BJP has won 109 seats in 2018, and they are able to retain 89 seats, which is a game changing for them. If we see for Congress, they have 146 won in 2018. They able to only secure 43 seats to retain. We can see these results in the tabular form also. Here it is. We have entire data in the tabular form. On hovering the mouse, we can see the details for that constituency, winner votes, win margin, and runner-up votes, runner-up party and winner party. In 2018, the BJP won 109 seats and retained 89 of them. In 2023, the INC, Indian National Congress, which secured 114 seats in 2018, only managed to retain 43 seats in 2023. By using a slicer, we can examine seats with a winning margin of only 5,000 votes or 2,000 votes, and the party can focus on these seats to retain or win the next assembly election. There are many reasons that play a pivotal role in winning seats, such as the manifesto and the demography of the region. However, these factors are beyond the scope of our given data. Thank you for listening and have a great day ahead. Thank you.